So I will discuss today about civil engineers. What is civil engineers? Civil engineers is a professional engineering that deals with design, construction and maintenance of physical and natural built environment, including works like roads, bridge, canal and building. Next, what is the work of civil engineers? So focus. Civil engineers create, improve and protect the environment in which we live. They plan, design and oversee construction and maintenance of building structures and infrastructures such as road, bridge, airport, dams, canals, power plant, irrigation project, water and sewerage system. So today also I discuss about RCC structures. Then topics come, what is RCC? Reinforcement cement concrete. What is concrete? Concrete is mixture of water, cement and sand. That is fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Then what is fine aggregate? Smallest particles of stone, which is finest particles also, is known as sand. Now coarse aggregate, the smallest particle of stone, which is known as gravels, which come under coarse aggregate. Then next topic, concrete is strong in compression but weak in tension. Why? So concrete is strong in compression. When we compressed any substance, any material or any metals, when we compressed, it will completely compressed, is come under compression. But when any metal or any substance or any materials which gets deformed properly, completely, is known as tension. So concrete is strong in compression but weak in tension. So topics come, reinforcement. So in concrete we provide steels. Then steel, what is the property of steel? Steel resist tensile force which is acting on the concrete. So to resist tensile force in the concrete, we provide steel as a reinforcement. So you already know that what is reinforcement, what is RCC. Next topics, what is cement? Cement, the different types of cement, different uses of cement in different field, in different criteria, in different departments also. So I will discuss about cement. So different types of cement: OPC, PPC, rapid hardening, extra rapid hardening cement, low heat cement, different types of cement. So the most commonly used in the construction and maintenance of building structures and infrastructures, there comes OPC and PPC. It is a most important factor which is used in the construction of buildings and also other construction. So what is meant by OPC? Ordinary Portland cement. It is the types of cement which gains strength very early, where we have to where we construct any building or any project, we have to use cement. So to gain strength early, to work early, we provide OPC, because the property of OPC gains strength very early. So when we comes in the construction site, where the most rarely strength is needed earlier, so we use OPC cement. Examples such bridges, buildings, superstructures. Now topic comes PPC, Pozzolana Portland cement. It is one of the most important types of cement which gains strength very late. Day by day, its strength is getting fast, or when it becomes day by day old, its strength is increasing day by day. So in the construction of building, when we construct the foundation, when we discuss the foundation, when we estimate the construction of foundation, there we use what? PPC, Pozzolana Portland cement. So you already know that. Are you getting my point? Okay. So you already know what is concrete, what is cement, steel. So in civil engineering, we have to learn structures, RCC, foundations, etc., etc. So people,